YouTube fam, so today we're going to be installing this Ultradyne Pegasus muzzle brake or compensator on my Howa M1500. It's in a 308. A couple reasons I want to install this, one being just to lessen that recoil a little bit, and then also this thing looks sick. So let's get going, come check it out, and we'll get it installed. Alright, so let's talk about what you do need on this Howa. Even though it's a 308, you do need a 1/2x28 adapter, because the 1/2x28 is actually closer to the 223 size, like an AR-15. So you need this adapter to bring it to the 5/8x24. Alright, so let's get this barrel nut removed. And the thread adapter does not come with any sort of washers, so I am going to use a little bit of the blue LOCTITE. Just a little bit. I don't want that thing backing off. Alright, now we're going to thread that on. And this will take a 3/4 inch wrench. I did put a little bit of masking tape on there just because I don't want to booger everything up. And once you get it on there, go ahead and snug it down. There we go. Alright, next step. Take your timing nut, and you'll see that there's actually a collared edge on this side that will go over the threaded adapter, so they call that a shroud. Face it towards the receiver. Thread that all the way on by hand. You got your compensator and a collar. Collar just goes onto the compensator, and then they both thread onto the barrel. You're just gonna go hand tight here. And now to time it properly, we're going to back this compensator back off until it's timed and looks appropriate. There we go. And now you're going to take the timing nut counterclockwise and begin to tighten it to the compensator. So the compensator on this one does take a 1-inch wrench, and then the timing nut is a 15/16 inch wrench. All right, here we go. Try to keep it as level as possible. You're really just holding this wrench, the compensator, as straight as you can, and tightening the timing nut at the same time. So make sure I'm level here, I believe so. And then just gonna snug it up, about 25 foot-pounds. So do your best if you don't have that. Perfect. Alright, there you go, all done. Nothing too crazy. Main thing's just figuring out that you do need that thread adapter on these Howa M1500s. So stick around, got a lot of cool videos coming, got some really funny ones coming, have some more installs coming, especially on this. I'm going to add a few more goodies, so hang out with me, like, comment, subscribe please. I need you guys, so let's go.